Alright guys, take a couple whacks at this big one, just for the heck of it. Fellas, that is one heavy chunk of log, and without the counterweight of the backhoe, I don't think the little RK24 is going to lift it into the trailer, quite frankly. We'll see. It's break time, guys. I'm gonna run this shit to the house before I pass out. Let's push some big damn logs. Stay hydrated. Seriously, right now? Oh, got my first ding on it. That's nice. This tripod doesn't have a big enough base. Let's find a different spot. Well, I don't know when let me shut that radio down. I don't know when the battery died, but I'm just loading up the trailer more. It's hot out there. I'm taking a AC break inside the Raptor so I can catch my breath a little bit. You know, the reel feels a touch over 100 now. It gets a lot harder to do this the older you get and the fatter you get, but I'm doing what I can. Get this tree cleared out of here, make some money, pay some bills, adult shit, you know how it is. I wish I could just win the damn lottery and be done with it all, but that's not realistic, man. That's not real life. So I'm just gonna keep getting after it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. What's going on, guys? All right, just got off the live stream with y'all. For the people that made it in there to say hi, thank you very much. And so I've got the trailer ready to go. I'm just going to I've gone a little high with some of these logs, so I'm gonna throw a few straps across just to be safe. Always tie up your loose ratchet strap ends. I learned the hard way. If you leave them fly, especially the big heavy duty ones, not these little ones that I'm using today, and you're on the highway and the excess tail is flapping in the wind, and then it decides it wants to get sucked down under the tire, it'll damage the crap out of your trailer. This bend here, and there's a matching bend on the other side, courtesy of me being lazy and not tying up the tail of the ratchet strap. So there you go. There's a quick tip for you. Always tie up the tail ends of your tie downs. Thanks for watching.